Alright guys, and welcome back to the channel. Yesterday when I was doing my stuff, I put my clamps away and I broke off my little bracket that I had for all my big steel clamps. So probably gonna rip that apart today, make up some kind of new design along with other things. Got my charcuterie board plank here that I'm gonna do some more work with. Got some more gravel outside that I'm gonna probably move, finish that up today. Once it warms up. It's still only 8:30 in the morning. Alright, so I got my gravel moved, just kind of cleaned up a little bit, and then I put some kind of corner blocks in here just for a rough layout. Figure if I need to move it forward or whatever I have to do, but we'll kind of check that out. First thing is just getting it clean, then figuring out the layout. But yeah, we'll keep jumping away at her. So this is what broke, and this is what I've replaced it with. Never go wrong with metal. Boom, time to install it. Good to go. Boom.